This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good evening all of you. So yesterday we have been taught about how to create the procurement cycle, the whole part, like we learned how to create the material, right, with MM01 and how to create the vendor master, right, with the XK01 centrally. If you want to create the vendor master centrally, then the transaction code is SK01. If you want to create the vendor master by purchasing point of view, then that is NK01, right? And if you want to create the vendor master with accounting department, then that is FK01, right? So this is what we have been learned, and also we learned how to create the PO with this is create purchase order with ME21 and transaction code, right? And then after creating the PO, the next step is we need to pass the GR goods receipt. Once you receive the goods, then you pass a goods receipt, with MyGo transaction code and MyGO. And then at last, you give the payment to vendor, but that is nothing but IR, that is invoice receipt. Okay, that is the whole process, like P2P process. And apart from this, other things are there which I will cover up in the purchasing transition, which is the different topic. So I have shared you enterprise structure. Hello. Yes. Pardon.
Hello,
Huh.
hello,
Hello.
Hafiz
Yes.
bhai.
Huh.
Today, which class we are going to start?
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm starting enterprise structure. Okay.
Okay,
So I have shared the notes. Okay. Just open the notes and check it out.
okay,
This is the enterprise structure. That is what I'm saying. No, you're not allowing me to answer it. Okay. I have shared you the notes. Just go through the notes. Okay. Our first
okay,
topic I am starting now. That is enterprise structure. Okay.
okay,
This is our enterprise structure. What is this enterprise structure? This is the first part, first syllabus of SAP MM Management. Okay.
okay,
So here, enterprise structure is also called as organizational structure. Okay.
okay,
And here, enterprise structure demonstrate how purchasing is integrated into this structure. The structure of an enterprise represented in a SAP system by the following organization level. Okay. So client, we should know what is this client. So basically, in real time, who will create client? Client is created by basis consultant. Okay. So I have written here it is created by basis consultant. So what are the features of client? It is the highest organization level in SAP. Okay. So if someone asks you which is the highest organization level in SAP, so you just tell the client. It represents a corporate group in SAP infrastructure. It has a three-digit numeric code, but not alphanumeric. Okay, the client will be only numeric code. Data maintained at client level is valid across all other organization levels. So here, see client. I will show you. So here, this is the client. This is the client. So here, our client is 800, which is a demo version. Demo version, people around the world, SAP demo version consists of client 800. But in real time, the client will be 100, 200, 300, okay? It will be anything apart from 800. It's a three-digit numeric number, okay? So this is the client. So in enterprise structure, it starts with the client, but client is not created by MM. It is created by basis consultant, okay? And company code. Coming to company code, company it is the smallest organization. So they may ask in interview what is the smallest organization unit in enterprise structure. So that is nothing but the company code, okay? In external accounting, for which a complete self-contained bookkeeping system can be replicated. This includes the recording of all accounting relevant events and the production of all legally required final statement of accounts, such as balance sheet and profit and loss. Okay, it is prepared by FICO consultant in real time. Okay, who will create this? This is created by FICO consultant in
Pico
real time. Okay,
consultant.
and the features of company code I have
Company.
given, but this is not our area. But anyways, because enterprise structure starts with the client and company code, so just we need to
Okay,
understand who create what. Okay, so that is what features of company code I have mentioned, and apart from about the following are specified for each company code and follow the company address. This includes in company code. Okay. And then coming to after company code, we have client. So then just let me show you the hierarchy structure of enterprise structure. It will be like this. See, first to client, okay, which is created by basis consultant in real time, and company, which is again created by FICO consultant. Okay, company and company code is created by FICO consultant. So in As a MM consultant, where our work starts in enterprise structure. If someone asks you in enterprise structure, what is your work and what you have done? So our work start with creation of plan, and our work start with creation of storage location. This is our area, and purchase organization we need to create. This is nothing but implementation. This is nothing but customizing the client as per the business requirement. Okay, you can even call as programming functionally, not technically, and purchase group. So this four part purely created by MM consultant. Okay, so basically you need to understand enterprise structure start with client, okay, and then company code, and then plant, storage location,
Storage
purchase
location,
organization, and purchase group.
purchase order.
Okay, yeah. So this is one second. Noise is coming. One second. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So enterprise structure starts with creation of client, but in real time, client is prepared by basis consultant, and again company which is created by people consultant and company code. So everything I mentioned here, okay? So don't get confused. So just I mentioned here after client, then company code, then plant. Okay, so plant is 4 digit alphanumeric code. Okay, you can use either alphabet or numeric, but not more than 4 digits. Plant. Okay, Iftikhar and Prakash.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is organization unit within logistics that subdivides the enterprise for the purpose of production, procurement, maintenance, and material planning in a plant material are produced and goods and services are made available. It is created by purely MM consultant in real time. Okay, so we have to create the plan. But as of now, what we have done in demo version, we have seen, like I have taken 3 demos, but we used plant 3000, which is a ready-made available plant in demo version, right? 3000 means New York plant, which we are using in demo version. But in real time, do you think we use 3000? No.
Hmm.
We have to create the plan as per the business requirement. We need to tell the client that boss plant is nothing but a manufacturing unit, and which kind of plant you need. It is a maximum 4 digits, so they will only give you. It doesn't mean that we are MM consultant and we are preparing whatever we have in our mind. It's not like that. So whatever you prepare, first you create a business blueprint. It is called BBP, business blueprint. So you need to prepare the document BBP and take a sign off signature with the client. That I'm going to create a plant. If the plant is a 4 digit alphanumeric, just you give some definition of plant, okay, which is alphanumeric, and accordingly what they are giving you, that plant you just give. I'm going to create this plant, okay, plant 1, 2, 3, ABC, whatever ABC to, they will give the alphanumeric number, okay, and take a sign off. Otherwise, what will happen? Once you create the plan, they will say who told you to create this plan, okay. So that's the reason you take the signature from the client, that is nothing but BBP, business blueprint, and take a sign off from the client, and who are going to create the plan, the name of the consultant name will be there, and the client manager name will be there, and the consultant project manager name will be there, and who is going to create the plan. Let's say if the car and Prakash is going to create the plan, their names will be there in the BBP, and at last, this BBP document goes to client, and they will check it out, and they will give you with the green signal. Then only you need to create a plan. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, and then after plan we have storage location. Okay, so storage location again, it is nothing but the warehouse go down. Yeah, can you mute? See, some disturbance is going on. Prakash, can you mute yourself? Prakash or Iftikhar, you
Yes,
need to
yes,
mute
yes, sir.
yourself. So because some background sound is there, if you have any doubt, you unmute yourself and then you can raise a question. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But now you all of you mute yourself because some noise is there, background noise is coming. So storage location, it is 4-digit alphanumeric code, and what are the features of storage? Yeah, Prakash, I think you are not. Prakash, you just
Hello.
mute yourself. Prakash, yeah, Prakash, just mute yourself. Background noise is there.
No, sir, I'm not.
Prakash, you need to mute
Yes.
yourself.
Now.
You mute yourself. Now it's okay. Yeah, so this is storage location. What are the features? Just go through this. Okay, feature of storage application. But one thing remember, storage location is 4-digit alphanumeric code. And again, coming to purchasing organization, this is again 4-digit alphanumeric code, and it is prepared by MM consultant. And what are the features of purchasing organization? Just go through this. Okay, and then after that, we have a purchasing group, which is again created by MM consultant. This is a 3-digit alphanumeric code. Okay. So in interview question, they may ask which assignment can be made for organization object purchasing organization. So please choose the correct answer. So I have given this, the C is the correct one. A purchasing organization can be assigned to multiple plants. Okay. Yeah, so purchase group is again 3-digit alphanumeric code. Again, this is created by MM Consultant. Now, we'll this reference purchase organization. What is the difference between reference and standard purchase organization? They may ask in interview. Just go through this and prepare accordingly. Now, see here, this is the enterprise structure. So, client, as I told you, client is created by basis consultant, and in demo vision, we already have a client. See here, I will show you this client 800. Okay, so no need of worry, no need of preparing any, creating any new client because client is already there in demo version. Okay, so we are not going to prepare this client. Okay, you got it, my you got my point, right? And then company. So we need to create a company. I think already I have created a company Wipro. So what we do instead of Wipro, company is again created by FICO consultant in real time. But as of now, we are going to create the company. So indirectly, we are learning some part of FICO, okay, activity. Because why means without creating the company and without creating the company code, again this company and company code is both are created for FICO consultant. Directly, we cannot start working from creating the plant. Okay, that is why we are creating company and company code. Okay, na Prakash? అర్థమైందా
Yes, sir.
నేనేం
Ah,
చెప్తానంటే ఇప్పుడు కంపెనీ కోడ్ రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఫీకో వాళ్ళు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు, ఇంప్లిమెంట్
okay,
చేస్తారు.
sir.
ఇప్పుడు మనం డెమో వర్షన్ లో ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే మన మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఎందుకంటే వితౌట్ కంపెనీ అండ్ కంపెనీ కోడ్ డైరెక్ట్ మనం ప్లాంట్ క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్లాంట్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ కాదు, అది స్టార్ట్ అవ్వదు. అందుకోసమే మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కంపెనీ. But it doesn't mean that in real time also we are creating company because this is purely taken care by FICO consultant. But now, as of now in demo version, we are going to create a company. So
Sir,
here company
in real
maximum
time,
6-digit. Yeah,
in real time,
just
first
tell me.
the
Uh,
company code created or company created
company will get created by FICO consultant.
by FICO consultant. Then after company
Yeah,
code
company code created by FICO consultant again.
again.
Yeah, company and
Then
company
after
code both are created by FICO consultant. Then after that, our job starts.
plant.
Creation of plant, MM consultant, creation of storage location, MM consultant, creation of purchase organization, MM consultant, creation of purchase group, MM consultant. This all part created by MM consultant.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Yeah. So now I will show you how to create the company. Company is a 6-digit alphanumeric code. So here, the client I have written, I have given in the notes, client and this company. It is prepared by Fluco consultant in real time, but not by MM consultant. Okay, it is a 6-digit alphanumeric code. As of now, we have to create a company as follows. Okay, menu path. Menu path one is menu path, another is a transaction code OS 15. So I will show you with the menu path. So menu path is SPRO. That is nothing but the menu path. What is the full form of SPRO? SAP Project Reference Object. Okay. S stand for SAP, P project, R reference, O object. This is the transaction code. which is used by all functional as well as technical consultants for doing the programming part, for doing the implementation part. And this transaction code is never given to end users. Okay, Prakash and Prakash. Whenever
Yes, sir.
they try to view this transaction code, the system will throw an error stating that you don't have authorization to use this T code. Okay, because this is our area, consultant area. Okay, so this is given by basis consultant to all the functional as well as technical consultant. They will provide the access to us. Okay. So SPRO, SAP Project Reference Object, we entered in inside the programming area now. There is nothing but implementation area. So here I have given in the notes, see here, SPROs. Okay, after that, everything like spoon feeding I have given SPRO, SAP reference ANSI. Okay, then enterprise structure, how to create a company. So SPRO, click SAP reference ANSI. IMG stands for implementation guide. Okay, then what? Tell me anyone. I think you both have opened the notes right in Gmail. And then what? I've shared you the enterprise structure notes. And tell me after that what? SAP reference RG after that
Wait a second.
enterprise structure. See here in enterprise structure we have two parts. This is documentation. If you want to know what is enterprise structure, if you have time, then go through this. But don't click this. Click this arrow. Okay, arrow. And then after enterprise structure, what to do? Click definition.
Definition.
Okay, then financial accounting. Okay,
Okay.
financial accounting. Financial accounting itself state that this is a FICO consultant. This is touched by
Yes, yes.
FICO consultant. Yeah. Now define company. So here it is. Okay. Execute this block. Define company. So as of now, I think already Wipro company is there. So instead of Wipro, what we do is we take Tata. Okay. Tata company. So it's alphanumeric. So you can include both alphabetic as well as numeric, which is a six-digit code. With one digit also the company will get created. I think let's see whether we have Wipro or not. Wipro. Yeah, Wipro company. So already I have created in my earlier class. So what we'll do instead of Wipro, yeah, we take Tata. Tata 01. Okay. So I'm using alphabet as well as numeric. Tata 01, which is a six digit. If you give more than six, it will not, the system will not exceed here. That is what I have mentioned here. It is a six-digit alphanumeric code. Understand? It is a six-digit alphanumeric code, not more than six digits. With one digit also, the company will get created. If you just type here T also, the company will get created. But the maximum is length is six digit. Okay. Now you give here Tata Group of Companies Limited, Tata Incorporation, and just give the address. Where it is situated. Let's say Polichoti. Okay, PO box is not necessary for Indian company. That is for foreign company. So here, city Hyderabad, country IM India. Okay, language EM. So everything I have given in my notes. Currency INR, Indian rupee. See here. If you see my notes, see here currency INR. Understood? Okay, everything see here I have given here. Okay, save it. Back to I am testing. So here now I'm saving this. How you will save? This is the saving button. So you will get customizing request number. This is called customizing request number. So what you do whenever say this short description people validation club is not the one which we have created now. So what you do, just click this new button. Okay, create request. And what we have done, short description is just write enterprise structure and enterprise structure. What we have done, creation of company, right? Tata 01. Just write this company name. Okay, Tata 01 company, and just give the date on what date you have created, so that if anyone want to retrieve the data, you can just give this date, okay? Accordingly, they can retrieve it. So today's date is what? 12, right? 12, huh? Yeah, so 12 dot 7 dot 2022. Okay, save it. So what will happen? This customizing request was generated, and we have changed the description enterprise structure data 01 company. Okay, um, continue this part. So the first part I have created, that is nothing but company. Okay, I have created one company. Now coming to company code, next part. Okay, the creation of company code. Again, I have given the menu part. This is SPRO, SAP reference, AMG, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Okay, the transaction code also I have given OS02. Okay, I'll show you what exactly I mean to say. Okay, so here this one part we have done. Again, go back. Okay, so we are already inside this SPRO part. Okay, okay, let me go back again. Okay, SPRO. See here, from creation of company code. SPRO, SAP reference and enterprise structure. Okay, again SPRO, SAP reference and okay, enterprise structure. Hmm. Then what? Definition, right? Then what? Financial accounting. Then what? Edit, copy, delete your company code, right? Understood? So here, if you see the transaction code here, what will happen is, I'll just show you. Yeah. So if you see the transaction code, here it is showing only one, right? See here, transaction, right? SPRO. There's only one transaction code which we enter, and SPRO is used by all functional consultant. FICO consultant will create company code, okay, and SD consultant will create sales and distribution. They go here. SAP SD consultant. MM will use material management. This one, okay. We also have another module LE consultant, logistic execution. Wanted SAP LE consultant, that is nothing but logistics. So I mean to say, like SPRO is used by all the consultants. We have more than 70 modules in SAP. SAP HR, they use this human resource management. Okay, SAP PM, plant maintenance. Okay, SAP PM, they use this one. You understood? Yeah, Prakash, etc. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I mean to say, SPRO is used by all module consultant. The similar code, but this is purely this is purely called as customizing part, customization, implementation part. Okay. Whenever ECCK that customizing request number is generated, that means this we are doing implementation. You need to understand this. Okay. Yeah. So this edit, copy, delete, check company code. If you want to see inside each and every transaction code, then what you need to do? But here, if you see this SPRO transaction, I can see only one, right? Transaction one. But separately, if I want to see edit, copy, delete, check company code, I have written here in my notes. What is that? OX10, right? The transaction code is what? OX02, right? Creation of company code. OX02, right? You can see here.
Okay.
Hmm? So if you want to see this OX02, how to check the inside this SPRO? You first go here, additional information. Again, click additional information, display key, and the activity. Okay, this is what the menu for. Then the last four digit will be your T code. And remember, 80% of the transaction code is working fine, and the rest 20% is not working. So here see the last four digit you need to check. What is that? OH02. Yeah, right? Prakash and Iftikhar. The last four digit is OH02, right? You can see here OH02. And to confirm whether OH02 is working properly or not, what you need to do, you open a new session. Like as I told you, how many maximum sessions we can open at a time? Six, right? So open a new session and try OH02. Try OH02 and check whether it is properly working or not. In real time also, 80% of the transaction code inside SPRO is working fine and the rest 10 to 20% is not working. So sorry, OX02 transaction code. So create company code. If that is showing, then it means this transaction code is working fine. Yeah, change view company code. That means this transaction code is working fine. Understood? You know, so this transaction code is working fine. Whereas let us check another transaction code. The last four digit here. Again, I'm saying the last four digit is our transaction code. Any doubt, anyone? Not the whole part. Here, something big is mentioned here, right? But we are not concerned about this big part. Only catch the last four digit. Now check define business area. That is again not our area, but at least check whether OS03 is working, or you can check the define company OS15, right? OS15. So again, I'll open a new session. I will just type OS15. Create company, right? So OX15, the last four digits. Yeah, this is also working. Change view internal trading partner over the company name. So already we have created data. So just to go to position TATA01, it will be displaying the data 01, right? So this is working. OX15. Okay. So both the menu path as well as the transaction code I have shown you. Similarly, you can check. I think this OCC1 maintain consolidation business area. Let us check OCC1. OCC1. Okay. Some transaction codes will not work 20% as I told you. So make sure whether the last four digit transaction is working properly or not. How to check? Open a new session and type it and check whether the transaction code is working or not. Okay. So I will stop. How to stop this transaction? Go here and click stop transaction. Okay. The current transaction was reset. Yeah. So now I'm going to create a company code, which is again 4 digit alphanumeric code and created by people consultant in real time. But as of now, we are trying to create a company code. Okay. So after clicking this, you go to copy, delete the company code. Everything I've given in my notes. Okay. Double click this, and you need to select this, copy all object. Okay. And already database is available when you purchase SAP from Germany. Database will be there. So what we need to do as a functional consultant, we need to copy that database to our new database. We are not doing any rocket science here. Okay. The functional consultant will never use any coding decoding. No need of having any knowledge of C, C++, Java. But the thing is that the database how to copy that. That is the job of functional consultant, and we need to be very much careful. How to copy the database. Okay. So here already database are readily available. So you need to select one database. Let's say here company code already database 3000 is available in demo version. So you need to select the 3000 and view our database. Like here company code in my notes. I have given Wipro, right? So here, this is what already Wipro is there. So we have created a Tata 01 and company code Vico, that is Wipro Computers, okay, 4 digits. Another company code I have opened, that is Wipro Bulk, WIPL. So instead of this Wipro, we what we do is Tata Salt is there, right? One is Tata Salt and Tata Steel. We can create two company codes. So first, let me create one company code, and another company code you can practice as a homework. Okay. So what we can do is TA Tata SL Salt TASL. Let it be TASL. Okay. Tata Salt or TAST Tata Steel. Okay. So let me create Tata Salt first. The company code from it will ask for which company code. So database is there in demo version, but in real time 0001 will be there. Okay, when you start working in a company, there you won't find a 3000. You will be getting here 0001, which is Germany, Moldov, capital of Germany, Moldov. So here the company code. So what I'm doing is TASL Tata Salt. Okay, TASL. Company code is 4 digit alphanumeric. So TASL I'm giving. Note it down, anyone. Yeah, Stefan, what you do, just
Yeah.
enterprise structure in your notes, you just write here. In your notes, write client, we already have client that is 800, okay? And in
Okay.
bracket, in here you just for your information, just put it created by basis consultant, okay? Then company, okay, same thing as it is you write in the notes. Company, we have created TA01, right? You write instead of Wipro, you just write TA01, and in bracket you write created by Pico
No,
consultant,
no,
okay?
sir, I didn't understand.
अरे यार ये कॉपी करो मेरे भाई, ये कॉपी करो, क्लाइंट एक डब्बा मारो, 800 ऑलरेडी है ना क्लाइंट, यहाँ पे
Oh,
क्लाइंट 800 है
800.
ना, वो 800
Oh,
डाल दो, डाल के यहाँ पे क्लाइंट के पास एक एरो डाल के क्रिएटेड बाय बेसिस कंसल्टेंट इन रियल टाइम बोल के लिख लो आपके नॉलेज के लिए, ओके भाई।
created by basic
हाँ
consultant.
हाँ, फिर कंपनी बोल के लिखो, कंपनी ऑलरेडी बनाया ना एसएपी में, ऑलरेडी वी हैव क्रिएटेड कंपनी, व्हाट वी हैव क्रिएटेड
Oh,
टीए 01
company.
टाटा 01. So just write
Company.
same thing, company and capital letter you write TA01 Tata 01. Just now we have created no, right? In SAP we have created
Yeah.
TA01, right? So just put a arrow mark and write created by FICO consultant in real time.
Created by FICO consultant
In real
in
time.
real time.
Uh, and
Okay.
again you again same thing, same
Yes.
design. Put it same design. Again you
Okay.
put it like this. The company code we have created TASL Tata Salt, right? Another
Ah,
company code, you just write TA ST, means Tata Steel. And this you take it again, you put arrow mark here and write like this is created again, created by FICO consultant in real time.
okay.
This
Created
is
by FICO consultant in
in
real
real
time.
time. But
Okay.
as of now
I'm
in
not able to
demo, as
understand.
uh,
In the down, what I have to write?
CO, that is what I'm saying. No, TASL ना अभी अभी बनाए ना हम TASL डाटा सॉर्ट, अरे भाई
How?
इतना मुर्दू क्यों जा रहे, देखो TASL डाटा सॉल्ट, right?
Okay.
TASL, अरे यार that is what I'm saying. Okay, TASL, right? Okay,
Okay.
TASL
TSM.
Tata Salt,
Okay.
Tata Salt.
Okay. Okay.
Another company code you just put the TAST, Tata Steel. TAST,
Okay.
TA माने टाटा, ST माने स्टील. So ये क्या करो आप,
PA. PA.
TAST में टाटा स्टील,
Past.
स्टील भाई,
Okay.
TAST
TST.
Tata Steel समझो, that is for our understanding यार.
Okay.
The company, the client will give us the data. So, but as it now we are practicing, right? So we are taking whatever we like. Okay. So TAST Tata Steel, you just put it and just write here homework. You people have need to create another company code. Okay, make it this as homework. But one part I will show
Okay.
this. Okay, company code and plant storage location and purchase or purchase group one area. This half part I will show. The same you need to do it. Okay,
Yeah,
Ashok
yeah, yeah,
Deepak.
yeah.
You
Okay,
understood? Yeah. Okay.
okay.
Okay. So here TASL data solve. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating two plant now. Okay. So you take a TAS1 data solve one TAS1. Take it TAS1 here. Okay. Write it here. Plant. And write here TASL data solve. TAS1.
Wait a
Okay.
second.
TA means data. TAS1 data salt 1. Okay.
TS1. Okay, okay,
TAS1. And
okay,
again here TAS2 data salt 2. TAS2.
okay. Wait a
Okay.
second.
First we will make a design. TAS2 data salt 2. And then make it here to storage location, which is nothing but pull down warehouse. Write it storage location here and write TSL1. Okay,
SL1. Okay.
TSL1.
SL
T T
SL2.
T TSL1. TSL1 means data
T.
storage location
Okay.
1.
TSL1. TSL2. Okay.
TSL1 TSL. S
Okay.
stand for storage, L stand for location. TSL1
Okay.
TSL2. Okay,
Okay.
for this plant.
Okay.
Again for this plant, again write storage location TSL3 TSL4.
Okay.
And then again make it arrow like this and purchase all. This is again 4-digit alphanumeric. So T P T S Tata Sol. What will do?
Purchase
T
order.
O T
TS.
O. Sorry. Tata. Yeah. T P O. Purchase all. T P S1. Tata Purchase Salt 1. TPS1.
TP.
Okay. S1.
TPS1.
And for
Okay.
this plant 2, you make it arrow mark and put it TPS2. Data purchase
TPS2. Okay.
TPS1, TPS2.
Okay.
Okay. And then
Okay.
one group will create. So we put it this purchase group. This is 3-digit alphanumeric. So you just to give here uh, IFT if the far. Okay. 3-digit IFT. And for this purchase one, you just put PRK Prakash. PR.
IFT. IFT3.
No. This is 3-digit. You are making it four.
Okay.
It will
IFT
never take.
PR. Okay. Okay. PRA.
IFT. Just IFT.
Okay.
Iftikhar. And
Okay.
here PRA Prakash. PRA.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Now we'll configure. Now we'll configure. Okay. Sure. Now we'll configure how to do this. So TASL data solve first to continue this is company code. So you'll get this message only copy the GL account if you want to allocate the same chart of account, okay? To the target company code as to the source company. Do you want to copy the general ledger account? GL account means general ledger account company code data. Click yes button. I have given in my notes. See here. Don't get confused. ये पूरा क्या है भाई कुछ भी नहीं लिखे साहब में कैसा नहीं है. Everything I have mentioned here. See company code we are creating, right? So here company code 3000 for company code TSL we have given. Click enter. Click yes. Again click yes. So here you need to click yes. See here. Click yes. Again click yes. Why? The reference company code has local currency US dollar because 3000 as I told you in demo version it is New York.
Mm-hmm.
New York stand for US dollar, right? So if
Yes.
you allocate a different local currency to the target, what is our target company called? TSL, Tata Salt. That is Indian company. So GL account with the currency
I know.
USD also change. Do you want to allocate a different local currency? Yes, we don't need USD, but
Yes.
we need INR. That's why we need to click
Yes.
yes. If you click no, then that means this will take USD, Tata Salt. So currency will be USD. So if you say no, if you say yes, then we can change. Now you put the currency INR. Indian rupees. See here, I have to mention here in the notes also. See, I can click as currency INR. Certain data was not copied. Don't worry. Click enter. I just put it like that. Certain data not copied. You will get this message after this. So don't worry. See, certain data not copied. Understood, Ritika? So what you do? Just again, don't worry. Click enter. Okay. And there are inconsistencies in ledger. Okay, you again get this message. So don't worry. There are okay. There are ledger inconsistent in ledger. So don't worry. Again, click enter. Okay. The mention here. Click enter. So in real time, company code is created by Pico Consultant. Okay, so you get this message. You continue with it. Okay. So here, you get this information transfer number and this address. Click enter form for customer can request. No, again click enter again. No, enter without overlap. We get this message enter interface without overlap. So click cancel. If it is red color, okay, I'll show you. I think you'll get that message. So what you need to do is, you people, after finishing my whole enterprise structure, I think today will close till company code we have created and what we do. Yeah, because no one is there except you two. So two three people are still missing. So we'll stop the class here. Okay. After creation of this company code, and you people practice. So what you need to do is you create Wipro as per my notes, because in your system there is no Wipro, right? Till now. So you prepare accordingly. Whatever is there in enterprise structure, you create the same thing. Don't create a Tata, because in my system I cannot create Wipro again, right? So you create company Wipro. Okay, steps are already written downside. Okay, and again you create the company code. Okay, and create another company code if you want, two company codes for a practice purpose, and then you stop it, and tomorrow I'll again start by creating the plan. Okay? Yeah, so as of now, let me continue the whole part of this the company. Yeah, so here we got this message. If you click it, the prompt for customizing request. Yes, we got this message prompt for customizing request in company code. Yeah, prompt for customizing request. Click enter. Okay, we are here, right? We are here. Caution. So again click enter. Okay, so we get this message caution. Okay. See your caution. That is what I have written here. So don't worry. Okay. Enter interval protocol. So what we do is we just click enter. Okay. Click enter. See, you got this message. Enter intervals without overlap. See, enter intervals without overlap. If it is in clear, wait, right? So here, what you need to do, if it is the case, then you just cancel this. Okay. Error occurred during numbering. I have given you in the notes. So what you do again, click copy button. It is not copied properly, so again we are overriding it. Continue button. Again we got this. Again click continue button. This database is getting copied to our company database, company code database. 3000 is copied to our company code, which is TAS. What we have done, Tata SL, TSL, right? Yeah. Again continue button. You click this. Okay. Again, you get here this message, enter intervals without developer is there. I have mentioned in my notes. Again, you need to cancel this. Okay. Again, click copy button. Now it will get copied. See here, the company code 3000 copied to TSL record 474 number. And so don't worry. So here I have mentioned here in my notes. Okay. The company code copy. So at last see here without developer enter. So this is what. Okay. The company 3000 copied to Vico. So but ours is what? TASL, right? So we got this message. Copy to TSL because 74 number. Click continue button. So if you want to check whether that is copied or not, what you need to do, click completed activities and check company code 3000 copy to TSL. Okay. Now your text is you need to create a company code TSL and another homework I have given you, right? So what is the data sort is there and you create this Vico computers, another company code WIPL. You create both, okay? How you create both? One is over, then what you need to do? Again, you go back, okay? I'm just showing you. Go back again, click this copy, delete, check company code data. Okay, and I give that another WICO, Vico computers and then WIPL. Again, go here and take again 3000 and from company code 3000 to company code, give WIBL, Wipro bulb. So here this again depend upon the businesses you are doing. See, when Wipro has started their business, it was just Wipro computers, right? We know all. Azim Premji. So when he started his business, it was purely Wipro computers. Now it became a diversified company. When the company goes for diversification, when they have money, right? So now Wipro thought to do another business. Like Wipro is an IT field also. Wipro Technologies, they have their own consulting company where they are consulting IT sector also businesses they are providing to different clients. They are doing that business, right? So again, they moved to Wipro edible oil. Wipro sunflower oil is there in the market. So now it became the diversified company, DIVERSIFIE, the diversified. When the company goes for diversification, when they have money in their hand, they try to do different business because to earn more money, right? So starting, they catch any one business and then they will start growing it slowly and steadily. Like when Reliance was there, Reliance Mobile just, and then after that, Reliance Petrochemical, Reliance Supermarket, Reliance International School. Now the Reliance became diversified company. So diversification, when the company goes for diversification, when they have money. Okay. So company code is something which is a different businesses. Let's say for example Wipro. Now I have given Wipro computer that is already they are into one business. and Wipro bulb. They have tube lights, right? Wipro tube lights bulbs are there. And again, just think it over. This Wipro computers balance sheet profit, whatever they are getting, they need to pay the tax to the government. They cannot include all profit at a time and pay tax to the government, right? No, never. So in real time, what the FICO consultant people will do is first they will see the company how many kinds of businesses they are doing, and accordingly they will create that much of company codes. So let's say Wipro is doing already, they are into business, when they have started Wipro, it was Wipro Computers, right? So Wipro WICO, one company code. Again, the FICO consultant need to check with the client whether they are doing another business under one roof. So the client will say, yeah, we are also into this business, okay? So create another company code, Wipro Bulb. And again, Wipro edible oil, okay, food, that is another business they are doing. Again, open another company code. What is that? Wipro bulbs already is there. Wipro edible oil is there, right? And Wipro technologies, they are doing consulting business, IT company they are running. Another company code will get created, right? So this is what. So the number of company codes depends upon number of businesses in one roof. All are in Wipro name. Understood? Any doubt? Anyone? Prakash and Iftikhar?
Hello.
No doubt. So number of businesses, whatever they are doing, number of company codes will get open. If they are doing only one business, let it be only one company code. If they are doing multiple business in one name, then open multiple company codes. That we are not going to create as a MM consultant, but I'm talking about the FICO consultant. Okay, okay, yeah. Mute yourself. Some disturbance is there. Yeah, both of you, mute yourself. Some disturbance is there. Prakash and Iftikhar, mute yourself. Yeah, now it's okay. So depends upon the number of businesses, number of company codes will get open, and number of again why separate plants will be there, because to manufacture Wipro computers, separate plant nothing but manufacturing unit factory, right? So this factory will be there, which is related to computers. They will only manufacture computers, right? And after manufacturing computers, they will store in warehouse, that is nothing but storage location, right? And purchasing department will take care of this all activity. So we create a purchasing organization, which is nothing but purchasing department related to this plant, okay? Wipro Computers Plant 1. And again, purchasing group, again, name of the person who raised the purchase order. Whenever there is a need of any raw material to manufacture the computers, they need a raw material like the chips and plastic, rubber, whatever. That is their raw material. So maybe Wipro computers say taking, from cello plastic, that is the vendor. Let's say I'm giving example. So they need plastic from cello plastic. So they will create a vendor cello plastic, okay, and there is the purchase order for cello plastic stating I need so and so thousand kilogram of plastic, okay, for manufacturing of their computer activities, okay, like that. So purchasing group person where will get information of individual person. This is group of purchasing department group. This is individual purchasing. What is the difference between purchase org and purchase group? Is purchase organization is a group of department people, whereas purchase group is individual name of a person where you get individual his mobile number and his email ID, okay, and his designation, everything we can see here in purchasing group, okay. Yeah. So I have created this. Now we go to edit company code data. Why? Because we have copied from the database of New York, right? So why we edit? Because we are just as a functional consultant, we are our job is just copy paste, right? But copy paste means we need to change the address, because 3000 address is for New York, so we need to remove 3000, okay, and put our Hyderabad address. You got my point? Yeah, anyone? So now see here, Click back, shortcut key F3, which is in green arrow on top beside save icon. So that is what is that is I'm showing you. See here. We are here already, right? We have created this company code. Now you click this edit company code data. You have done that job. Now we are changing the address because the 3000 from database which we copied, that is from New York. Now go to position and what company code we have created? Data TASL, right? Data salt. Click here.
Yes,
Yeah, TSL. It is there here, right? See, but the company name is ID as US. This is not US, right? Why this is coming? Because database 3000 itself is US database. So you need to delete and put our Indian address, right? So select this,
okay.
okay, and click this detail button. Hmm. Remove this US address that is there already in my
Put
notes. See
our
here.
name.
See, don't worry. See here. Select whole row Vico, but we have selected whole row ESL and click detail button, right? That's why I'm showing you. Now delete all existing company name and view our company name as follows. Company name
Follow.
Wipro Computer, Hyderabad, India, everything. Okay, we are giving
Currency,
our address.
language.
Yeah, exactly. So here say company name, what I'm doing, Tata Salt. I'm doing this. Tata Salt. Okay. And here, New York, I'm removing. Let's say this company code address have medical country US. I will remove this and I'll put IN India. Let it be currency INR and language here. Now you click this address button. See here, I mentioned in the notes. Now click address button, shortcut key, shift to place F5. If you don't find anything, just to click the shift to place F5 button or else this is address bar. See here. Shift to place F5 already it is there in the bracket. Click here. And now you remove all address of US and include our address. Understood? See ID as US incorporation, you just delete this. Okay. To remove this and you remove this ID as International Demonstration Education System, Lincoln Avenue. Remove this. Okay. New York, remove this address. And the postal code, remove this. And New York again, remove this all. Hmm. And this one, remove this. Real time also you need to do like this. Database once it is copied, you remove that in real time as I told you Germany address. Remove all Germany address. Jurisdiction code applicable only for US country but not Indian country. Remember one thing. So it should be blank always. EST is not our time zone, okay? So remove this all telephone number, remove this, okay? Your telephone number means you are with the company telephone number. Okay, and remove this all information and put your address, okay? And now I'm starting from here. So what you do, select the company and here company name, let's say this is Tata company code, no, what they are doing, Tata Salt, okay, Tata Salt, TASL, Tata Salt, let's say Medipatnam. So I'm giving Medipatnam. So here search the TASL Tata Salt. I'm giving Medipatnam. Next sentence, district Hyderabad. Postal code, let's say 5, let's say country I am India, okay, region 01, and the quotation here we give you the telephone number, okay, and then your fax number, email address, okay, so ESL, and accurate, email or data.com, okay, that's it. Click enter, click enter and save it. So this is how you're going to change the address after creating the company code. So again, I'm telling you why 3000 company code is showing you New York address because 3000 belongs to New York, which is ready-made available in the database in demo version. But in real time, you won't be getting 3000, but instead of 3000, copy from you need to select 0001, which is Germany, because SAP is created for German and 0001 database they will give. So you copy from company code 0001 to company code whatever it is, like Tata Steel and Tata or whatever it is, salt. Okay, yeah, this is how. So today's class, what we have done is we learned about the client, but the client in real time, this is none of our job. MM consultant will never create a client, but here in demo version already client is there. How to check? Go here, client 800, which is the demo version. Okay, and then in enterprise structure, after client, what is the next step? Company. So in real time, who will create company? People consultant, and company is 6 digit alphanumeric code, and I've given you the main part how to create the company. Okay, this is your homework. You do and show me tomorrow. And after that, we have created company code, which is 4 digit alphanumeric code. Okay, so these two part we have covered in enterprise structure. So tomorrow I'm going to explain you how to create the plan, which is purely our area, MM consultant job. How to create the plan, which is 4 digit alphanumeric code, and how to create the storage location again, which is a 4 digit alphanumeric code, which is purely created by MM consultant, and how to create the purchasing organization again, it is a 4 digit alphanumeric code, which is purely created by MM consultant, and again at last purchasing group, which is a 3 digit alphanumeric code, which is again created by MM consultant. And then after doing this, we need to do the assignment. That is our next step. So tomorrow we will be covering this area. Okay. So till now, any doubt, anyone?
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Sure. So we'll continue tomorrow.
So this recording will be
Yeah, I'll be
applied
sharing
today.
you this recording. I'll be sharing this recording because to generate the recording it will take 1 hour. So once I get free time, I'll be sharing it. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, no.
Before taking the new class, before that only
Okay,
I'll share you the recording. Okay.
okay.
Okay then. Sure. Bye.
ठीक है हाफिज भाई.
Okay. Okay.